In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Miro to upload and manage your visuals within your projects. Miro is a fantastic tool for both individual creators and teams looking for a visual workspace to foster innovation and collaboration. So let's dive right in and get started with this guide. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Miro website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your existing account. If you haven't created a Miro account yet, take a moment to register, as this will unlock the ability to save and share your boards. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Miro dashboard. This is where you can see all your existing boards, as well as options to create new ones. For today's task, let's go ahead and click on an existing board. This will take us into the heart of Miro, where all the creative magic happens. Now that we're inside an existing board, you're going to notice a toolbar on one side of your screen. Keep an eye out for a tools or plus icon. Clicking on this icon will expand your options, allowing you to add various elements to your board. This can include sticky notes, shapes, lines, and importantly, images, which is where our focus will be today. Next, you'll need to browse or search for the upload option. This can often be a little icon or button. Clicking on it will reveal different sources you can upload your media from. Miro gives you a variety of options to choose from, such as upload from your computer, from cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox, or even from external URLs. Speaking of URLs, let's go through uploading via a URL specifically. You'll want to select this option if you have a direct link to an image that you'd like to use. After clicking on Upload via URL, a text field will appear. Carefully type or paste the image URL into this field, ensuring accuracy to prevent any errors. Once you've input the URL, press Enter and let Miro work its magic. It will process the photo link to pull the image directly into your board. This might take a few moments depending on the size and speed of your connection, but patience here is key. While uploading via URL is powerful, remember that Miro supports multiple ways of incorporating images into your boards. Whether it's from direct uploads, cloud services, or even drag and drop functionality, explore these options to find the method that suits your workflow best. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Miro's uploading features effectively. Practice with these steps, and soon you'll be enhancing your projects with visuals in no time. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating on Miro.